The AI Framework Handler module simplifies managing multiple machine learning frameworks. It integrates PyTorch, TensorFlow, and scikit-learn into a unified system. This tool enhances collaboration across diverse AI workflows. Key features include multi-framework support and automatic validation of configurations. It centralizes debugging and logging, enabling easy switching between frameworks. Scalability allows developers to add new frameworks as needed. In the G.O.D framework, this module facilitates seamless AI workflow integration and minimizes runtime errors. It optimizes resource utilization and supports flexibility for diverse use cases. Future enhancements will expand framework support, enable cloud integration, and introduce interactive dashboards. It aims to automate dependency resolution and integrate performance monitoring metrics. The AI Framework Handler module addresses complex AI development challenges. By unifying and validating frameworks, it accelerates workflows while ensuring compatibility. Empower AI development today with the AI Framework Handler module. Simplify integration and unlock your project's full potential.